everyone. Today we will learn about some basics of painting. This is a canvas in front of you. Canvas क्या होता है? एक टाइप का बेटा कपड़ा होता है जो रिवाइव हम करके यूज करते हैं पेंटिंग में. Now it is attached or pinned to a wooden board. You can find easily them online. आप online order करके you can find these canvas. Now these are the color that can be used. These are acrylics and so many other kind of colors are there too, like these acrylic colors and also in tube forms. Whichever you find better, जो आपको अच्छा लगे आप यूज कर सकते हैं. Then we have different kind of brushes. One is in front of you and some are here. These are the round brushes of different numbers. All the brushes come with numbers. जितने भी brushes हैं वो numbers के साथ आते हैं. These all helps in different types of blending. Some are called round brushes, some are called flat brushes. Even we have some kind of tools for painting. I will show you. These are the flat brushes that we are going to use in our today's lesson. I will be showing you the numbers. कहाँ से आप numbers देख सकते हैं कि numbers कहाँ होते हैं brushes के. And हाँ, when we are talking about the tools that we use in painting, some of them are we use these tools also while we paint to create some 3D effects. With this canvas, you can see this canva. I have already told you about this. इस canva के बारे में मैंने आपको बताया है. Even I use this practice canva एक ही spiral drawing book जैसा ही है जो normal sheets की जगह इसमें canvas attach होते हैं. आप practice के लिए इसको भी use कर सकते हैं. I ordered it from online and of course water is necessary while we paint. And this is the color palette. I have used a broken plate to also क्योंकि when you do the mixing of colors you need a large palette. So जो भी मेरे पास plate available था I used to use it. And of course a cloth. In place of using tissues, it will be good if you use clothes. कोई waste कपड़ा सबके घर में सबके पास होता है. So you should go for it. And of course your hand should be neat and clean before you start your painting. Now this flat brush we are going to use. Before we can put any color, we should moisturize our canva with water. Moisturize करने से हमारा जो canva होगा उस पे कोई भी color smoothly run करेगा. Otherwise आपका color क्या हो जाएगा, एक ही जगह stick हो जाएगा. इसलिए it is important कि जब भी हम canva पे कुछ भी paint करने जा रहे हैं तो पहले उसको थोड़ा सा moisturize कर लें water से. So you can see with the help of brush I am doing it. Enjoy your art, whatever you paint. These are the color that we are going to use. It is the ultra blue. As we are going to give a sky effect to our canva after the moisturization process, we will start with giving a base to our canva. First we will give a base to our canva. हम पहले अपने canva को एक base देंगे with white color of course. हमेशा जब भी हम पेंट करते हैं हमेशा एक white color से हम हमेशा अपने canva को base देते हैं. बेस देने से क्या होता है, हमारा जो ब्लेंडिंग प्रोसेस है वो और ज़्यादा स्मूथ शाइनी हो जाता है. एंड कलर जो इफेक्ट हम देना चाहते हैं ऊपर से डार्क नीचे से लाइट आए सो वो बहुत और भी ज़्यादा स्मूथ हो जाता है, and white is the perfect color for that. So first we will give a blend of white as base to our canva. Enjoy whatever you are painting, enjoy. Don't worry about anything, what will happen if I do this or that. Nothing will happen. कैनवा आपको ये बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी देता है कि अगर आपका पूरा ही खराब हो गया ना, यू जस्ट वॉश इट ऑफ, या यू कैन वॉश इट ऑफ. आप उसको एकदम नॉर्मल तरीके से जाकर अपना सिंक में जाओ और उसको एकदम अच्छे से हाथ से रब कर करके पूरा पेंट निकाल सकते हो, एंड यू कैन, योर कैनवा विल बी रेडी अगेन टू यूज. So after giving the white base, I will apply this blue color. I love this color. So first stroke that we are using is a straight stroke, or you can say horizontal stroke or a line stroke. You have to remember that your hand should move like this in a symmetry. आपको नीचे डार्क रखना होगा, ऊपर लाइट 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 बहुत स्काई दिखा. अभी क्योंकि हम स्काई दिखा रहे हैं, ऊपर थोड़ा डार्क और नीचे की तरफ आते हुए लाइट. फ्रॉम डार्कर टू लाइटर टोन वी हैव टू, ऊपर डार्क रखना है और नीचे लाइट रखना है. ध्यान रखना है ब्लेंडिंग में आपको बार बार आपका ब्रश धोना भी पड़ेगा और उसको नीड टू वाइप इट ऑफ, उसको पोंछना भी पड़ेगा, पानी चेंज करते रहना होगा, क्योंकि कहीं भी अगर आपके ब्रश में हल्का सा भी कलर रह गया है, कोई सा भी कलर रह गया है, वो आपकी ब्लेंडिंग को खराब कर देगा. इट विल स्पॉइल ऑल योर एफर्ट्स. So this is also way you can express your creativity. Yes, now you can see how shiny it is. Let's do it bit more darker from upper side. थोड़ा सा और ऊपर से. Although it is perfect, it is not necessary कि आप ऊपर थोड़ा सा डार्क कलर और लगाएं. But I want to try something. It's all up to you. It's your paint, it's your canva, it's your creativity, it's your imagination. आपको जैसे अच्छा लगता है आप करो. Just know the basic. So we are done with our clouds or sky. Let's do another stroke. Again we will moisturize this canvas. After moisturization of canva, we will learn second stroke. Do not forget to wipe out your brushes. पोंछते रहना है brushes को. Now we are going to do semicircular blending. Semicircular blending. You can see my hand. Semicircular blending. I am blending the white color right now that we have given as base. Now we will use white color. As I have told you earlier, circular, semicircular blend. We'll use yellow to create a sunset effect. You will love doing all these things. Just know the basic. I'm keeping the CANVA board bit slanted as it improve our blending. It improve our hand movement. So it is important कि आप जो stand होता है that we use for painting, अगर आप वो रखेंगे तो it will be good because उससे आपका posture भी ठीक रहेगा. You will not have any kind of back attack. With more of blending, I will use a bit more of white to create a nice blend. Circular way, not to forget. Yeah. See, my hands are dirty. Keep your hands nice and clean. Dry brush that like I am using to give it a nice blend. There should not be any crease कि अब यहाँ तक white था, यहाँ पर yellow है. It should blend nicely. So you can use your dry brush to give it a nice blend. Now we will use orange. Color will be deeper on the upper side and lighter as it comes down. But थोड़ा dark रहेगा and it will become lighter as we come down. नीचे आते आते इसको light करना है. Same process will be followed, but the stroke should be semicircular. कितना कलर लगाना है, क्या मैं अगर कुछ इधर उधर हो गया है, हाउ यू कैन करेक्ट इट. ठीक है. सो इन दिस वे यू शुड कीप ऑन ब्लेंडिंग. नाउ आई विल ब्लेंड विद सम मोर ऑफ trying to show you how much water I am using because it is necessary in blending. As when your color get dry, you use water to light it up. फिर से उसको आपका स्मूथ रनिंग हो सके कलर की, उसके लिए हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी होता है कि हम वाटर से उसको ब्लेंड करें. कई बार ड्राई हो जाता है पेंट करते करते ही. So for that point of time, now you can see how nicely it is blend. You can't find certain part कि यहाँ पे ही white है, यहाँ yellow है, यहाँ ही orange है. So this is the nice blending. You can see how shiny it is. And wash your hand please before we start our next one. Totally upon you. I find कि थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा लाइट हो रहा है. Let's dark it up with nicely. थोड़ा सा dark करना है. So this is strong. ये आप जैसे जैसे आप करते जाएंगे, कई बार आपका पेंट आपका जो पेंट है वो पूरा कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. उसके बाद आपको समझ आएगा यहाँ पे थोड़ा it is much better than before now. Yeah. What we have done, I just added some more color और कुछ नहीं किया. Okay. So let's get started with our third type of blending. As you can see the movement of my hand, how I am moving the brush. It is the circular blending. See, I'm trying my best to show you how my brush is moving. Which is the circular blending. It's my favorite. Again, we will do the moisturization of our CAMEL with water. Oh, my brush is leaking some colors. No worries, just wipe it out your brush and remove this color from your this color. Yeah, it's done. Let's moisturize the CAMEL. I'm moisturizing it even in circular form. Again, we will create the base with white. Now we will start with the circular movement of the brush as this is the circular stroking. The one before we have done it is the semicircular and now we are doing the circular. You will enjoy it, I assure you this. Now I'm using pink color, any dark color of your choice you can use. I'm using pink. We will create an outer atmosphere with this. given it a base with light white color, and even if you do not want to get into this, you can after moisturization you can directly apply this color, but giving a white a base is good thing to be done. As I have told you earlier, it will give you a smooth surface to work on. Applying more color so that I get a dark form of it. I can get a dark form of it. Dark हो जाए वो अच्छे से. So I'm just using more of it. The effect I'm going to create, for that it is needed the dark shade, the outside of the circle, that is formed. जो हमने ये सर्कल फॉर्म किया है, इसके जो इफेक्ट हम क्रिएट करना चाह रहे हैं, उसके लिए जरूरी है कि जो बाहर का कलर हो थोड़ा सा डार्क, so that we can create a magic. We will put the circular blending. Try not to stop your brush to mix it up. And if this kind of thing happens, don't worry. Just keep on circulating your brush. Nice. You will love it. It is one of my favorite. Using white more and more to create the effect of circular blending. Try not to stop. These are the bubbles. They will settle down after a certain period of time. So don't worry about them. Just keep on blending. Hold your CAMEL nicely. You can see the blending, how nice it is. It is looking superb.